Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare FIREBASE Studio and WINDSURF. FIREBASE Studio and WINDSURF serve different purposes, but both aim to simplify app development works. FIREBASE Studio is a powerful platform by Google that helps developers build apps faster and easier. It gives you tools for real-time databases, user authentication and cloud functions, and hosting, all in one place. You can manage everything through a simple online dashboard or link it with tools like Android Studio. It's great for building mobile and web apps, especially those that need live updates or user logins. FIREBASE also offers helpful features like crash reporting and analytics. It's beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for advanced apps. WINDSURF is a lesser-known tool that may refer to a custom or niche platform, and there's limited public information about it. If it's being used in a specific context, like internal development or a private service, it likely serves a focused purpose. Unlike well-known platforms like FIREBASE, WINDSURF doesn't offer a large ecosystem or community support. It may provide certain features such as workflow automation, backend services, or AI integration, depending on its design. However, without clear documentation or widespread usage, it's hard to compare it directly. For general app development, more established tools are usually preferred. Overall, FIREBASE Studio is best for full app development, while WINDSURF is limited and niche. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.